Tara guys, luto naman tayo ng chicken pasta alfredo. First, tunaw tayo ng butter. Then, gisayin na natin yung bawang. At isunod natin ang sibuyas. At ilagay na natin ang chicken breast. Sangkotsayin natin mabuti. Ayan, halo-halo lang. Then, takpan natin. Tapos nyan, lagyan na natin siya ng pampalasa, salt, pepper, chicken cubes. Lagay natin yung fresh milk, 2 fresh milk yan. At tapos nyan, isunod natin yung 1 can all-purpose cream. At evaporated milk. 1 can yan. Then halo lang, then takpan. Tapos yan, pwede na natin ilagay yung cheese at yung egg yolk. Yung egg yolk, pampakreamy at pampalapot ng sauce. Halo-halo lang guys. At ilagay na natin ang pasta. Yung pasta pinukulo natin as per instruction niya sa packaging. And there you have it, our chicken pasta alfredo. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.